Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I really want to talk about should you buy GameStop or stay away from it, what's going on with it. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you get anything in value, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you guys have any questions or concerns, go ahead and ask them down in the comments. And if you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, go ahead and check out my course. And you guys can use promo code DIVIDENDS to get 50% off. We talk about fundamental technical analysis, how to find undervalued stock. We talk about dividends, retirement, taxes, REITs. We pretty much talk about it all. So I'll put a link to that down below. So now, GME, here we come, roll the intro, let's go. Bam! Now the craziest part about GameStop is around 1 month ago, this stock went from $13 all the way up to $513, causing a massive short squeeze among hedge funds, really making the everyday trader a millionaire. No, maybe not that case, but a lot of people made a lot of money, but also a lot of people lost a lot of money. It was kind of a mixture of both. Now, 1 month ago, that huge thing was fueled by pretty much Wall Street bets, telling everyone to invest and really cause a massive short squeeze among hedge funds because they eventually have to buy back those shares. But right now, this is a little different. This has a fundamental catalyst. So what this means is there is news behind GameStop. Well, GameStop just released and just fired their CFO, their Chief Financial Advisor, I think is how you say it, CFA. I'm not sure, but it's one of their huge board members that makes a lot of really strong decisions. They got pushed out, and once they announced this stock pretty much went parabolic. So what does this mean by GameStop? Should you buy it? Well, right now GameStop's fundamentals are not the greatest. You know, they still have declining revenue. They still have declining sales. They are closing, thousands of stores across the United States. But that means long-term GameStop right now doesn't have a lot of potential. But short-term, this stock went from $3 all the way up to $13 to $513. So it has that room to grow, and with it being right around $90 right now, it still could easily hit $500 again. But the thing about it is there is so much risk right now with investing in it, just like it was back in the day. So here's my opinion. I think if you guys are beginners or even some immediate investors or traders, should maybe stay away from this. Focus on stocks that you guys are more comfortable with, because this is going to be very volatile. It's going to be going up and down at pretty rapid rates, so it's always smart. Make sure you guys are practicing. Maybe you guys need to have a little more experience before investing or trying to trade GameStop. Now, with that being said, GameStop for me doesn't really carry a lot of long-term potential. That's just my opinion, but maybe it does carry a lot of short-term. So now let's actually go ahead and look at the technical analysis. Support, resistance, and my price target. Let's check it out. Alrighty guys, so we have GME. This stock really went from $13 all the way up here to about $40. It went from $40 to $513. Now looking at this, you guys can see it sold off very heavily, back down to about anywhere from about $35 to about $50. That's where it kind of consolidated for a pretty long time. And then look at this. You guys can see this huge candlestick right in here. And the thing about this, yes, it did come in contact with this old resistance at 200. This is where this stock has a temporary sell-off point. It has a very hard time breaking above it. And you guys can see it's up well over 100%. So it hit it. We did get some sell-off back down to about $150 as of right now. So me personally, I think for this stock to come back up to 513, it's going to have to definitely carry a lot of risk if you're investing. This stock could easily come back down to $80 before it hits 513. So if you guys are short-term traders, I think there's a lot of possibilities for this, and it's always smart to keep it on watch here. But for me to invest here, I really think for a one lump sum investment, I would kind of hop in, set my stops maybe below, 122. So I'm risking $30 for this stock to probably come back up to this resistance. But you have to understand, this is a very risky investment, very risky. So maybe before you invest into this, have some other investments, have some ETFs, blue chip stocks, or even bonds to almost act as your defense in your portfolio, because right now GameStop is very risky, very volatile, because their fundamentals for the long term don't match up to the price as of right now. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you guys have any questions or concerns, go ahead and ask them down in the comments. And if you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, go ahead and check out my course, and you guys can use promo code DIVIDENDS to get 50% off. I'm telling you, it's worth it. So now, we'll see you later, guys. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care. Bam!